What I learned was the art of the question asking. Sure, I know how to ask questions.
Break that down.
Sure, I knew what questions to ask for 8, 9, 10 years. But asking the questions with genuine concern and waiting for the answer, right?
Okay.
I'm not only asking the questions that I know the answers to, which I still do, but did a lot more, because I'm basically trying to cut you to the path, which is like, okay, well then you didn't hear me, right? So I increased my listening skills. And the way I learned to increase my listening skills was the amount of times I got burned trying to just control the situation. Like, control is elusive, and it's just very elusive, and it's not the holy grail, right? But I used to believe it was. When you're listening to people, that means you don't have a predispositioned answer. When you're not, you do. And I had the answers, bro.